Welcome everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can boost your FPS and increase performance of your Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's start. We are going to do actually many things, so be ready for a ride. Click here on options and first go to general. When you go to general, turn on your FPS counter, server latency and also packet loss. I recommend it so you actually see how your FPS is doing and how you are performing. Now, the next thing I want you to do is go to NVIDIA control panel and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. First, in NVIDIA GeForce Experience, if you have NVIDIA, update your driver. And then, when you're going to click on game, details, click here on custom settings and change optimize for performance. So this is what you're really interesting to. When you will have it, the next thing you want to do is go to, again, NVIDIA and click Control Panel. And it's going to start soon. Right when you have it, click here on Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, choose Call of Duty or just pressing Add and just finding Call of Duty game, or you will have it here in Select Programs. First, CUDA GPU. Go with the use global settings, and next thing, power management mode, prefer maximum performance. So this is what you need to do in NVIDIA. When we have NVIDIA on, the next thing, you will be in a game, go to graphics, display mode on full screen. When you're gonna have it windowed, it's going to be worse only because like your FPS will decrease. Display monitor, it's everything fine. Render resolution, I recommend going like 100. If you have a lower CPU, go with 90. Aspect ratio, automatic, I would disable vertical synchronization. And custom frame limit, you can edit it to like cap it to, I don't know, 70 or 80 or 140. That's just up to you. I have it like this. NVIDIA highlights disabled. Texture resolution low. You can have this to medium. Like you're gonna see like also the RAM usage of every single option. Then you're gonna select particle quality. I would go with low, you don't actually really need that. Bulk impacts and sprays, I would disable too. And then you get like the tessellation. I would go with disabled or near. Now, shadow map resolution, I would completely disable everything about shadows. Like you don't actually need shadows and put them too low. And they are huge. They take so much of FPS. Particle lightning, I would go with the normal, it's okay. And ambient occlusion disabled. Now, you're gonna see like anti-aliasing here. I would go also with the off. And filmic strength, I will leave it. Motion blur, you can turn it on or off. It's not going to depend on your FPS that much. So when we have it, what do you need to do next? Next, go to Task Manager. Now, Call of Duty. Go to Properties. No. Go to Details. Find the Modern Warfare. And now set priority to high. What will happen is that it will prioritize your game instead of every other program. The next things I recommend, definitely close like Google Chrome, Streamlabs, Battle.net application, Discord, what you don't actually need for a game, right? So I would like close Op64, Chrome, Steam, and every other application that can actually impact your performance. Close it down, okay? Now, also what you can do is disable some things on startup. That's good too. Now go to game capture in your Windows. Just write insert game capture. Turn it off. Captures, turn it off. And then just click game bar and also turn it off. That's important. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you can boost your performance and FPS in Call of Duty Warzone. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day, everybody. And yeah, goodbye.